Mureka and Boomy both are AI-powered music generators. Today we're going to see who actually produces better music. So why is Mureka leading the AI music revolution? Well, there's quite a few reasons that they're somebody to really sort of pay attention to and look at if you are looking to generate music. Okay, so let's have a look here. First of all, if you're a content creator, a musician, a producer, a game developer, or even an enterprise that requires custom model training for brand-specific music, as well as licensing, then Mureka is actually a better choice for you than some of its competitors. So that offers royalty-free intros and background music. There's zero copyright risk at all. You own the music that you create on your account. There's rapid prototyping and stem export for professional DAWs. And then you get dynamic and adaptive soundtracks via API. And this is all at scale. Now, their market advantage and their competitive edge includes a two-stage composition. So their music OT mimics human songwriting. Then the planning and producing, and this is for unmatched musicality and flow versus Suno, Udio, or any other of its competitors. Also, it's got deep styling customization, so you can do style matching, vocal tone control, multi-language support, and it's got an integrated marketplace for any creator that wants to actually monetize their music. It also allows you to seamlessly integrate into third-party apps and workflows, powering the next generation of audio experiences altogether. Having a look over here as well. So it's redefining how music is created, all in all. It plans full song structures before generating, and this allows for superior coherence. It has a vocal innovation, which allows you to clone voice. You can clone multiple voices, and it gives you about 70% plus vocal realism, which is fantastic. It also has multi-module input, so you can create with text, just lyrics, a melody, or even a reference track with 200 plus styles in more than 10 languages. It's available on the web, iOS, Android, and via the API for developers and enterprise integrations. Okay, we're looking at Boomy now. Boomy AI is revolutionizing music creation with AI. Now, having a look at what you can actually do. You can create original, royalty-free songs in seconds across more than 20 genres. This includes hip-hop, lo-fi, EDM, chill, meditation, and of course, a whole bunch more. It is fully customizable. You can adjust the mood, the tempo, all the instrumentation, and add virtual vocals, which means there is no musical background required at all. All you need to do is operate the software that you are using. You can publish more than 40 platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, TikTok, and you can earn up to 80% of the royalties, which is fantastic. You can also join a global network of creators sharing feedback and collaborating, powered by their AI learning from 14 million plus users generated tracks. It's accessible to hobbyists, content creators, educators, and all pros alike, with plans from a free tier to the pro, which cost only $40 a month. Now, where does Boomy AI actually shine, and why does it win? Well, first of all, you can prototype and produce tracks rapidly. You can go from concept to finished song in under a minute. You can also see that YouTubers, podcasters, and streamers generate copyright-safe background music instantly, and you can customize your soundtracks and ambient music without hiring a composer. This is all done on demand, and it's an introduction to music composition through an interactive AI toolset that really engages with students' creativity. It's an all-in-one platform. It really does democratize creation. There's no expensive equipment or expertise needed, and it's an ever-evolving AI model. Of course, it's trained on millions of tracks. The AI consistently is improving, delivering personalized, professional-grade output that really grows with you. So it's quite clear, folks, that there are many options when it comes to AI-powered music. The real truth of the matter is to go and use more than one of them and figure out which one actually works for you. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.